Hello students, now I am going to start question number 2 of exercise 3.3. Now question number 2 says, consider the following parallelogram. Find the values of the unknown x, y, z. So here we have parallelogram A, B, C, D. From there we will have to find the values of x, y and z. Okay. Before finding the values of x, y and z, we need to know the properties of parallelogram. Here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, isn't it? And in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are also equal. So here, this angle and this angle are opposite angle. Angle B and angle D are opposite angle, isn't it? And in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle Y is equals to 100 degree, as opposite angles are equal. So we have got the value of y, which is 100. Now angle C and angle D, these two are also adjacent. Angle C and angle B are also adjacent, and we know that in a parallelogram adjacent angles are supplementary, means sum of these two angles make 180 degree. So we will take these two as adjacent. Okay, so it's up to you whether you can take C and D also, or you can take B and C also, okay, to get the value of x. So here 100 degree plus x means these two angles are adjacent angle, and sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So we'll write the property here: adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, now from here we will find the value of x. So x will be alone, 100 will be transposed to right hand side, so it will be 180 degree minus 100 degree, so it's 80 degree. Okay, so the value of x is 80 degree. So here we have got the value. Now again, angle x and angle z are opposite angle. So if angle x is 80 degree, then angle z also will be 80 degree, as these are opposite angle. So we'll write angle x is equals to angle z, as these are opposite angles. So opposite angles are equal. Now here we have got the value of x, which is 80 degree, isn't it? So what will be the value of z? It will be 80 degree. So that means x is equals to 80 degree, y is equals to 100 degree, and z is equals to 80 degree again. So this was part 1. Now coming to part 2. Now here again we will have to find the value of x, y and z, and this is a shape of a parallelogram. Okay, so here this angle x and angle 50 degrees adjacent angle. Here you can take any one of this. Okay, suppose this and this we are taking at first. So this angle x and angle 50 degree make 180 degree, because this is adjacent angle, and adjacent angles are supplementary in a parallelogram. Okay, so from there we will get the value of x. So 50 will be transposed to right hand side. So 180 minus 50, 8, 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 5 is 3. So it's 130 degree. Okay, so the value of x angle will be 130 degree. Okay, now angle x and angle y are opposite, and opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. So we will write x is equals to y. Okay, so opposite angles are equal. So if angle x is equals to 130 degree, then angle y also will be 130 degree. Okay, so we have got the value of y. Now we will have to find the value of z. Now see here, these lines and these lines are parallel. and this is the transversal which cut this parallel line at two distinct points. Then corresponding angles are equal. These are corresponding angles. These are on the same side, same position, isn't it? So that means angle X will be equal to angle Z as these are corresponding angles. So we'll write angle X is equals to angle Z as these are corresponding angles. Okay. So if angle X is 130 degree, then angle Z also will be 130 degree because these two are equal. So we have got the value of X, Y and Z. X is 130 degree, Y is 130 degree and Z is also 130 degree. Okay. Now coming to the next part. Now see in this figure we have Y here. X is here, Z is here, and we need to find the value of X, Y and Z, and this angle is 30 degree. Now here this sign is given, this sign means it is 90 degree. Now these two are intersecting line, and when two lines intersect at any point, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So here angle X is 90 degree because these two angles, this angle and this angle, is vertically opposite, isn't it? So X will be equal to 90 degree. So as these are vertically opposite angle. Okay. Angles. Now, so we have got the value of X which is 90 degree. Now this is a triangle. Here we have 90 degree and here we have 30 degree. So we need to find the value of Y. Now, so what will you write? By angle sum property we can write angle X, angle Y plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. This is by angle sum property because sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now here if value of X is 90 degree, so 90 plus Y plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now we'll add this two. So 9 plus 3 is 12 and 1 0 is 120 plus Y is equals to 180. So what will be the value of Y? 120 will be transposed to another side. So 180 minus 120. So the value of Y will be 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. So the value of Y will be 60 degree. Okay, here it will be 60 degree. Now we need to find the value of Z. Z will be equal to Y. Okay, Y here angle Y and angle Z will be equal. Now why? Now when there is two parallel line and one transversal cut this two parallel line, then alternate angle will be equal, means one angle from right hand side or left hand side and another angle will be from another side. So these two are interior angle and this angle is on the left side and this angle on the right side. So these two are equal, isn't it? Similarly here these two are parallel line and this is the transversal line which cause this parallel line. So that means when two parallel lines are there and one transversal cut this parallel line, then alternate interior, these interior angle, see this angle is on the right hand side and this angle on the left hand side. So these two will be equal as these are alternate interior angle. So whatever will be the value of Y, Z will be the same, right? So if Y is 60 degree, then Z also will be 60 degree. So we will write Z is equals to 60 degree. Here we will have to write the reason that alternate interior angles. Okay. So we have got the value of X, Y and Z. X is 90 degree. Y is 60 degree and Z is 60 degree. Okay, now coming to the next part. Now here this angle is 80 degree, this is X, this is Y and this is Z. We have to find the value of x, y and z. Now as this angle x and 80 degree are adjacent angles, so sum of this angle will be 180 degree. So let's take this at first. So x plus 80 degree is equals to 180 degree, as adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay. Now what will be the value of x? 80 will be transposed to right hand side, so it will be minus 80. So 180 minus 80 is 100. Because 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 8 zeros and it's 1. So it's 100 degree. So the value of x we have got. Okay. Now see here. Angle y and angle 80 degree is opposite angle. So as opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram, so the value of y will be 80 degree. So y is equals to 80 degree as opposite angles are equal. Okay, now we have to find the value of z. Now z is also will be 80 degree. Now why? See, these two are parallel line and this is the transversal, isn't it? This is the transversal which cut this parallel line, and these two angles are on the same side, same position. That means these two are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal here. So z will be equal to 80 degree as these are corresponding angles. So we will write z is equals to 80 degree as these are corresponding angles. Okay, so we have got the value of x, y and z. So x is 100 degree, y is 80 degree and z is also 80 degree. Okay, now coming to the last part. Now in the last part also we have parallelogram, and here angle y, this is angle x and this is angle z. We have to find the value of x, y and z, and this is 40 degree and here is 112 degree. Now which one is easier to find? Now by seeing the figure we can easily find that angle y and 112 degree is opposite angle, isn't it? So angle y is equals to 112 degree as opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now y we have got 112 degree. Now see, this is a triangle. So here we have 112 degree, here we have 40 degree. So only we need to find x by angle sum property. Now let's name it as A, B, C, D. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is the diagonal. So if we take this triangle, in triangle ACD, then angle y plus angle x plus 40 degree is equals to 180 degree, because by angle sum property of a triangle, always we will have to write the property in the bracket. Okay. Now angle y we have got 112 degree plus x we have to find, and plus 40 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now at first we will add these two. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 1. So it's 152 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree. So what will be the value of x? It's 180 degree minus 152 degree. So 180 minus 152. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 will be 7, so 7 minus 5 is 2. So it's 28 degrees. So the value of x is 28 degree. Okay. Now x we have got which is 28 degrees, isn't it? Now these angle x and angle z are alternate interior. Now why these two, this line and these lines are parallel, right? And this is the transversal which cut this parallel line. So alternate interior angles will be equal. This angle is on the right and this angle on the left. Okay. So that means these two angles will be equal. Angle X will be equal to angle Z. So we'll write angle X will be equal to angle Z, as these are alternate interior angles. Okay. So if angle X is 28 degree, so Z also will be 28 degree. Okay. So we have got the value of X, Y and Z. So X is 20 degree, 28 degree, Y is 112 degree and Z is 28 degree. Okay. So this was all about question number 2. Thank you, students.